Hello, everyone. Have you ever wondered how some emails just stand out in your inbox? How they seem to understand exactly what you need and when you need it? Well, today is your lucky day because we have the answer. Welcome to our free training on email domination with artificial intelligence technology. How to command the inbox and transform readers into buyers. So, what exactly is this AI Prompt ACE personal technology, and how can it revolutionize the way you communicate with your audience? Well, artificial intelligence enables you to better understand your target audience's behavior. It analyzes patterns, preferences, and even the emotional tone of your readers, allowing you to create highly personalized and targeted emails. Just imagine, instead of sending a generic email to your entire contact list, you can send messages that truly resonate with each individual. And that's not all. With AI Prompt ACE Personal, you can predict the best time to send your emails, significantly increasing your open and conversion rates. Now, you may be wondering, how can I start implementing this powerful technology in my email marketing strategy? Well, that's what we're here for. Our free training will guide you step by step, from initial setup to advanced campaign creation. Whether you're a complete newbie or an experienced marketing pro, this training is for you. We'll provide all the necessary tools and resources for you to master the art of email domination with AI Prompt ACE personal technology. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for our free training right now and take the next step in turning your emails into powerful sales machines. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Join us today and start commanding the inbox. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing tips and tricks. Until next time.